Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage Steam notification. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Steam displays notification by default in the lower right corner on the screen. While that is usually not a problem if you are not in game, it can be problematic if you are, as it may overlap game elements or control. Notifications are not displayed for a long time, but it may still be problematic if you are in a multiple player game right now or in a single player game that is putting pressure on your time wise. So how if you want to manage your notification on your Steam? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have tap on our Steam. From here, you can go to settings. You can just tap on your profile. Now you can just scroll down. You can go to account details. From account details, you can just slide in here. You can go to notification settings, and in here, Steam notification. So by default, Steam will display a summary of notification on startup, then reduce the frequency to only notify you when necessary. So turning off a notification type also means it will not show up in the green bell at the top of the Steam client. So if you don't want to receive notification, like you don't want to receive notification when receive a gift, you can just disable this. And also, if you don't want to get notification if there's a major sale, you can just turn off in here. And also for the receive a new trade over like this, you can just choose for the notification that you want to turn off on your Steam account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to manage, how to settings your notification on your Steam account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.